Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the 4-hour time frame, we are sitting at the 61. We did make a little bit of a bounce here, but if you disregard this big spike that we had from the fake news event this week, then this is definitely still all lower lows, lower highs. If it goes up and breaks this high right here with momentum, then obviously we need to start looking for longs on the euro dollar again. But until that happens, we kind of need to assume this move up could just be another pullback within this series of lower lows, lower highs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, actually probably the best thing to do would be honestly make it so you can't see this Fibonacci on this time frame and probably put your Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, because if this move up right here is potentially a pullback to this move down, then it would likely go to a Fibonacci retracement level, and then it would likely break structure to the downside and end up continuing back down. If it doesn't do that, but instead goes up and gives us a nice solid break of structure, I think that would be the break of on the 4 hour time frame that we are looking for to turn us back into buyers after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.